Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So this video is gonna be like a few days in my life. I decided to do just a few days because these few days are gonna be full of things happening because today is the 10th of April and Malhar and Chinmay is also coming back. So they both are coming back. And yeah, I mean, that's very exciting for me because I haven't seen him in 3 months. So, yeah, I'm going to see him tonight and I'm very excited. And tomorrow is going to be a little bit of like prepping for like a dinner kind of thing that I have day after tomorrow because day after tomorrow is my birthday. I'm actually not that excited, but it is what it is. Anyways, so I will prep for that tomorrow, and then day after will of course be the birthday. The exciting part about the birthday is that I got this murder mystery game that I'm really excited about. I don't know how many people are gonna be there, but if it works the way I'm thinking it might work, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So that's it for the introduction. I shall see you guys in the rest of the video.
I'm sitting with my mama in the same table, having lunch with my brother, and you're not included. Looking up at my goals, that you look so good. Please don't come with your dramas. Hey, focus on your goals. Let me be alone. Ooh, I don't want to share.
So Malhar called me and he's almost there, so I'm gonna go now. Guys, look at that. Okay, say hi. Reverse. Uno. Nice.
I'm sitting with my mama in the same table, having lunch with my brother, and you're not included. Looking up at my goals, that you look so good. Please don't come with your dramas. Hey, focus on your goals. Let me be alone. Ooh, I don't want to share with you anymore. Focus on your goals. Let me be alone. Ooh, I don't want to share with you anymore. If you stay, I'm like whenever.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. It is the 11th of April. Today started off being a little annoying because I remembered that we have like sort of a thesis market kind of shit, which I need to go to at 5, but I'm not going to be there for too long, maybe like 15 minutes max. And I need to go shopping after that and have group work at 2, which might take a little long. And the most annoying thing, because I wasn't in my room yesterday when the parcel got delivered, the murder mystery game, it got delivered to like a pickup point, which is in another small village nearby. So tomorrow morning, I have to go to that village to get the parcel. It's too much work, but we gotta execute this. Also, Malha is back, as you saw last night. And the flowers I gave him are the flowers that he actually got for me because, you know, Malha is the gentlest of the gentlemen. The gentlest of the gentlemen. Anyways, yeah, but that's the life updates. I don't know, I'm getting so irritated, but it's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. And also I need to study. So I'm just gonna study, I think, because I need to meet my group work people at 2 in the bubble tea place in my building. I think I'll just work from my room. Great. Or I'll go to the bubble tea place now itself and work there because it's gonna be 12. It doesn't make sense for me to go to Forum and then come back and then go shopping. I mean, not shopping, I just need to go get like groceries for tomorrow's dinner. So, and I need to bake the I forgot that I need to bake the cake. I need to bake the cake, guys. I need to bake the cake. I need to wash my hair. Oh my god, okay. This is just gonna stress me out. So I will see you guys at the bubble tea place. Bye. Bye.
Feel like I live forever. I don't care, just leave me alone. Oh, oh, feel stay on like whatever. Feel like I live forever. I don't care, just leave me alone.
Guys, look at my new phone case. I love it. Obsessed. Almost too much. So it's been 2.5 hours and I was on a call first with my friends in India and then with my mom and dad. So now I'm headed to Sayana's room because I left my headphones there and also Malhar is there and they're having dinner. I don't feel so hungry, but I'll just join them because I'm gonna bake now. And I had a Panadol because I'm also having a headache. If I don't have a headache when I get back, I'll bake and then we'll do the icing in the morning. So for now, I'm just going to go and chill. And I shall see you guys later. Bye. Again? You guys ready now?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
It's my birthday. Okay, I'll shut up. But good morning. It is the 12th of April, so hence it is my birthday. Okay. Enough. I ended up not baking last night, so I need to bake now. It is currently like 9:40. I'm gonna start. It's probably not gonna take too long, so I'll probably be done by 11, and then I can. Oh my god. And I will work from 11 to 1, and then I will go to Benecom to get the package. I'm supposed to get my hair look so bad. And meanwhile the cake is baking, I'll take a shower and all. So let's go and just start because otherwise it's just not gonna end. See you guys. I think this cake slayed a little too hard. I mean, I'm not done yet, but when I was baking it, a little bit overflowed, so I tried like the overflowed part that baked, and I'm excited. And then there's the frosting. Let me show it to you guys. Look at her. Shut up. So stunning. So stunning. Heading to campus now. It's 1. I'm gonna leave on campus at 3.
Like whatever, feel like I live forever. I don't care, just leave me alone. Oh, oh, feel stay on like whatever. Feel like I live forever. I don't care, just leave me alone. I'm sitting with my mama in the same table.
So it's currently 5:21. We secured the package with a massive delay in the plans, but it's fine. I'm gonna go home now, assemble the cake, and I am gonna relax for some time. I think I need a nap. I'm getting very sleepy. Depending on that, shall catch you guys up soon. Hey besties, so I'm sort of kind of like starting to get ready now. I still have like a little bit of stuff to make for the thing, so I'm also gonna do that side by side. But yeah, and I'm definitely running late, and I'm not sure if I'm liking my hair or not. But as of now, it's just looking extremely flat. But also, this is the dress. I mean, I can't show the full thing right now, but later, later, shall get going and finish cooking.
Having lunch with my brother, and you're not in clear. Looking up at my goals, that you look so good. Please don't come with your dramas. Hey, focus on your goal. Let me be out.
Happy birthday to you.
Come, someone come.
I'm sitting with my mama in the same table, having lunch with my brother, and you're not in clear. Looking up at my goals, that you look so good. Please don't come.
मेरे को एक देना एक देना एक देना अरे ऐसा कैसा ऐसा दोस्ती
Saurav's like, I'm just not concerned.
On this occasion, no prison sentence would be handed down. However, we want the defendant.
जो fingerprints we got earlier और मेरे पास fingerprints हैं लेकिन fingerprints चलो भाई मैच
अर्लियर वाले मैच
आ जाओ मैच करते हैं लाइट ऑन करो कोई
हाँ हाँ पीछे ही है।
लाइट मत ऑन करो यार प्लीज ऐसे कर लेंगे
फ्लैश ऑन करो
लाइट मत ऑन
यार सेंसर करना पड़ेगा वीडियो को.
So good. Please don't come with your dramas. Hey,
कोई पर्पस नहीं है
focus on your goal. Let me be
लाइट के अंदर किसी मतलब it is sort of a
Hello. So I was just watching Shark Tank, and it's the next day, so it's the 13th of April, and I am currently 23 years old. Drum roll should have come before, but yeah, I'm not feeling it at the moment, which I'm glad about. So, because if I start feeling it, I'm gonna start panicking and freaking out. But I'm good as of now. But why I started to record is because I realized I didn't actually end the video yesterday. So we had dinner yesterday afterwards. Like we cut the cake, had dinner, and then we played Murder Mystery, which all you saw, and that went on for like a really, really long time. I think we got done at about like 5:30 in the morning. So of course I woke up like quite late today, and I was so exhausted. Like girl was dying. But anyways, so that is sort of it for this vlog, and because I didn't record anything today, of course, but I'm gonna go meet my friends for some time now. But this vlog ends here, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching us be all chaotic and crazy. I don't know if there's actually that much chaos and crazy in this video, but whatever is there, it's there. And you know. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I don't know why I'm this hyper, but I am. I think I need to like calm down a little bit. But anyways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. And we can end the party here. See you guys in the next video.